On today's episode of Watch Chair Go, we are back in the shop where the floors are, well, it doesn't look like anything changed over here. But we're here with the detail dudes to clean up the Audi A6 that has really been beat to death. Poor Audi. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Chair Go, and like I said, I'm here with the detail dudes and my 2011 Audi A6 that I bought for $4,500 from Copart. Now, it took a year from the time it left Copart, so we don't even know how long it was sitting before that, until we got it back on the road. So I bought it about 6 months into its journey, and we got the engine swapped and back in this thing, and it is rough. So it sat in the shop through the concrete job, if you listen to the paint. Oh yeah, that's a nice sound, right?
Yeah.
That's what cars should sound like that.
Nice protective coating.
Yeah, it's a protective coating, exactly. This section right here, I clay barred. Yeah, that's what the paint sounds like right there. And then right here on the hood is basically a 50-50 here. Still sounds like that. And right here, I did a quick clay bar at the house, and it's about 100 times better, but there's still a lot to go, right? There's a lot of junk on this paint. So what's you guys' thoughts on cleaning this thing up?
Good hand wash, good clay.
Yeah.
And probably polish, Uno Protect.
A little bit of Ruckus Uno Protect.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
The secret sauce.
Good deep decontamination of the paint.
Yeah, it basically, I mean, it had a lot of concrete dust. It was solid
covered.
white.
Yeah.
We got to bring this thing back to life so the transporter can drive it.
There we go.
That's our goal here.
Yeah.
And the inside's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Really a vacuum.
Yeah, it needs a good vacuum, and I mean, obviously we can't fix the little leather crack right there, but the seats were a little dirty, and that's about it. Oh, there's some pop back there in the back seat. All right, well, that's what we're gonna do today. And obviously right here we have like clear failure or something, but I think it's actually something on the paint. We've all been kind of playing with it, trying to get that fixed. Well, let's rock and roll, and we'll ceramic coat this thing, and I think it'll look as good as it will ever look again. To the time lapse. The wash is complete. This thing was hit with the foam cannon, the wash mitt, and then clayed, and then foamed again. And now, I mean, you can see the streaking in there, but it's so smooth. I know you can't hear the paint anymore, but it feels perfect. And they're claying it one more time with an actual clay instead of a synthetic clay. It's covered in quick detailer right now and going over it a whole another round. Sorry about all the noise. They've got the pressure washer and the floor grinder running over there. They're working away on the floors. It's been about a week so far. And now that the A6 has been clayed again, it is time to polish it. They're breaking out all of the power for the polishers, and this is going to come out amazing. Oh, it's so much better already. So much better. In case you were wondering, it does take a lot of work to get over a year of dirt and a lot of concrete dust off of a car, especially a black car. So this will look, it'll be very rewarding when it's done because black, but it's a lot of work to get it clean. Update on the polishing. They're still working away over here, but this black looks so much better. We'll get the zoom in for you guys. you could see this was all just pure spidering a minute ago. And now it is so much better looking. All the white marks down the doors, all that stuff's gone, cleaned up. Super nice. Yeah, buddy. Also, they switched to Last Cut instead of the Uno Protect because we're going to use ceramic coating, and Uno Protect is like a single step with a sealant in it. Well, Scott didn't want to leave well enough alone, so he's fixing a couple little issues with the Audi black paint pen here, and that should really take care of this. Basically, we really just wanted the egg spot. So this was the egg spot where it took the paint all the way off, and it will look better after another one more little touch up there, but it's already getting better. The egg spot had to go. The clear spot can stay, but the egg spot was it was deep. So it's been polished, it looks incredible, and after the paint dries a little bit, it's time for us to get back on it and do a little ceramic coating. It's time to do our pre-wipe. This is ceramic coating prep right here. Gotta make sure we get this thing nice and clean. What's the prep? Water and alcohol, or?
It's Optimum Paint Prep.
Optimum Paint Prep? Gotcha. And then we'll come back with our Avalonking ceramic here in just a moment. So Casey's doing the roof. I'll keep working on the front. Also, our chips there look way better. I mean, it's not perfect, but at least it won't rust or get any deeper. So, good job, Scott. You nailed the touch-up.
Yeah, a little off, but not bad.
You know, it's good enough. It's such a small area, and he also hit all the little chips on the front end. So the hood looks a lot better too. As always, Armor Shield 9 on all of my cars. Can't wait to make this Audi look even better. So let's rip this thing open. Avalonking is having a huge 4th of July sale. 30% off and free prep wash and a free maintenance shampoo with your order. So everything you actually need to do basically what we just did on this car, except the polishing, that's on you. So let's open up our box of Avalonking here. It's got the Avalonking card. We have the Armor Shield 9 ceramic, some foam to hold the bottle, our applicator pad with the soft foam on there, and microfiber, gloves, and small microfibers to use with the applicator pad. Also, don't forget stickers for the win. I've seen some comments with people, really just like 2 comments, because everyone that's ever used Avalonking knows it's far better than any wax. I mean, any ceramic is better than wax unless you just need a ton of filler for some reason, which means you probably needed to polish. But I have seen some comments saying that they don't believe in the Avalonking. I have my Saab 9.5 Aero sitting over there in the shop, and it sat outside for a year after I coated it and then got covered in concrete dust. And we're gonna bring it over here and we're gonna wash it in a video soon. And when it comes back, I mean, haters never stop hating, so I know they're not gonna admit that they were wrong, but I'm gonna show you guys just how good it is, because I've used it on cars and then left them outside forever and never driven them again. I wash them, amazing again. The shine comes back, they start sheeting water again, it's killer. Anyway, we're all ready to go. Let's do this Audi. As always, we're gonna do our crisscross pattern and just go over the whole car, panel by panel. Got the A6 ceramic coated. Take a look at this. Look at these blacks. Off the chain. Anyway, a polished ceramic coating went a long way. Now all that's left on this car is the interior, and we'll be home free. So a little bit longer here, and there's not too much to do. The interior was always pretty clean, but there's a little bit of pop on like that seat and another one in the front. Just a little touch. So that's all it needs.
That's a mystery substance, a little something on the leather, using Adam's leather interior cleaner and a soft brush. A little bit of that on there. Work this into the leather. This is a nice soft approach rather than using a drill brush so you don't scratch and damage the leather. Wipe this clean. No more stains, no more smudges. About to give this a once over. Door jambs, carpets, all of the seats, the doors, the trunk, everything. Look at all of that. Last time you'll see it looking like this.
The A6 is now done. The interior is finished. They sprayed in some stuff to clean out the vents and everything like that. It's that mildew killer. You guys know what it is. You have to use it in Escalades and Corvettes. But take a look at that interior now. Does that not look great? Yes. It's as good as it can look. The only problem is that leather that's cracked. So anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The A6 detail turned out better than expected. I mean, look at the engine bay. The engine bay is the one thing you guys didn't get to see last time. It looks brand new. Also, those LED fog lights, they sit there and flash. There it was. Well, let's get this thing out of here. On to the next one. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjargo.com where you can get cool shirts just like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. I like it, guys.
Thanks, man.
How's this thing going?
About ready for coating.
It does. Like, wow, that thing was scratched up earlier.
Yeah.
It was beat. Check this out. The speedo's gone. This guy just doesn't like speedometers. All he wanted was a tack. Victory hammer. Way out of production.
Yeah.
That reveal. Also, this car has not been smoking in so long. I do not understand why anyone thinks it still smokes. It smoked for like a handful of miles.